Good morning, grade 1 students. Today we are going to be talking about how much things weigh. We're going to be talking about things that are light and things that are heavy. We'll also want to talk about this word, lighter and heavier. When we compare things, if something weighs less, it's lighter. If something weighs more, it is heavier. Let's do some comparing. In front of me, I have a balance scale. And the way a balance scale works is that when these are the same weight, they stay even. If I put something heavy into one side, that side is going to go down. So you can see right away which side is heavier. I'm going to put the eraser over here. It goes down. The light side, whatever is lighter comes up, whatever is heavier goes down. So these balance scales are really good for comparing different things. Here I have that eraser, and I have a gem that I dug out of the sandbox this morning. Which one is lighter and which one is heavier? So I'll put them both in. The eraser is lower, so it's heavier than the gem. Let's see, can I compare two other things? I have a pencil and I have a counting block. Which one will be lighter? Which one will be heavier? Let's put the pencil there and the counting block there. The pencil is heavier than the counting block. But wait, I wonder if the pencil will be heavier than the eraser. Or will the eraser be heavier? Do you have a guess? Let's see. Which one is heavier? Yes, the eraser is heavier because it's lower. The pencil is lighter. All right, here is some things to read. A rock, a big heavy rock, a rock is heavier than a block, a counting block. And a pencil is lighter than a desk. So if you think of a big, heavy desk, I'm going to fix my words a little bit. I don't know who. Maybe it was Ethan came in and erased some of those letters. But I'm going to fix them. Here we go. A rock is heavier than a block. A pencil is lighter than a desk. So you can say things both ways. Sometimes you'll say things are heavier. Sometimes you'll say that things are lighter. I think that you can show me your expertise on heavy and light in our book on page 129 in 130. Always look up here. This is where it kind of gives you an explanation and some details. It says up here, a balloon is lighter than a desk. Down here it says, a desk is heavier than a balloon. In this section it says, circle the one that is lighter. So find the one that you think will be lighter. But at the bottom, it's different. It says, circle the one that is heavier. And finally, on page 130, we have some balances. And they don't have a balance scale like I did. They have what's called a teeter-totter. But it works the same. The heavy one stays down and the light one comes up. And we can tell who is heavier and who is lighter. So see if you can figure out who is heavier in these pictures. Have a great afternoon.